Monday I'm in the office.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Talk about if I'm overly.
It's me, EP, and it is 7:15 in the morning. And it's my wife's birthday, and she's opening her gift that I got her. I got crust all on my face. Dang, I didn't wash my face yet. Let's see if she likes it. If she doesn't, I'm gonna take it back. By the facial expression, looks like she does.
Oh my! No, you did not. Oh my God!
What is that? What is it?
How much did you pay for this?
What is it? What is it?
How are you gonna make your video?
Oh my God! What is it? Got her a camera. She's always complaining about having to take videos off the iPhones and put them on the computer. So I got her this camera so she can record her natural hair vlogs. So I guess she liked it.
I love it.
And we're up, and I had a weird weigh-in today. 232.
Yeah.
Really? All right, guys. We're at the so-called happiest planet on Earth, or happiest place on Earth, Disneyland, for my wife's birthday. Where we going? And like always, it's packed. It is. It's always packed.
Because people love it. That's why.
But it seems every time we come here, this is the first ride we get on.
Because
this is like the Haunted Mansion. Line moves the fastest. Look at that. Look at all these people.
Should I make a video, Daddy? Hello, everybody. We're at Haunted Mansion. We know, cause I'm not scared anymore.
you have to go in there.
Keep walking.
Drag your bodies away from those walls and into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation.
Alright guys, just got off Haunted Mansion. And yeah, it's Haunted Mansion. Someone was scared.
You don't have like a Disneyland thing?
What?
You don't have like a Disneyland thing?
Castle.
Do you have any
Space Mountain. That shirt. I've been catching a lot of people looking at my shirt. I think they want it. Too bad they can't have it. And it's not even an expensive shirt. I got it from Target. It's $10. Ain't no hour for no ride. So now we're about to go on Space Mountain? And wait an hour to ride the ride. And after that I gotta eat, because I haven't ate anything since last night. Yeah, this is probably gonna be an hour.
And then next time, let's touch base in Tuesday.
One, two, then we do 2.5. One. again.
Well, one day I'm in the office. I'm in the office. So.
Better. Unless it's 4. I don't know. I don't remember. It's been so long.
So we get inside Space Mountain just to do this. Stand in line again. Just got off of look at Space Mountain. Fucking tears came out my eyes. Man. Mila? Did you have fun? Alright guys, it's finally that time to eat. I'll show you what we're about to eat. Got a pepperoni pizza.
You see the
This is the
vegetarian?
barbecue chicken pizza right here. She's already eating. And then we got this chicken pasta right here. Time to throw down, and as you see, I'm not counting macros because I'd be way over if I did. That non-nutritious meal is gone. Sipping on a Coke Zero right now. Planning our next route to get on another ride. Wonder what it's gonna be.
Hi. We're going on another ride. Wait.
60 minutes waiting. All because of this person.
What's that mean?
Her birthday, she wants to wait.
Right, get this
Hour.
right here. That's the reason why.
Right.
Because it's my
Can't wait.
birthday.
Finally inside. Hopefully we can get on the ride real quick after this. Just walking and walking and walking. Yeah. California Adventure. First time for everything. Finally got in the front.
I'm scared because she's so little.
What's this called?
California Screaming.
California Scream.
Ready?
California Adventure. Camila. Got off of California Scream. It's all in the front. This part of Disneyland is better. California Adventure is better. I could come to this. I'm not getting on that.
I can't get on that. It makes me sick.
I already got a headache too. Now she wants to get on this merry-go-round, which gives me a headache. If I don't get on, she can't get on it. So. On the horse too. Camila, look. Camila. Both on the horse. Yeah. Ride it, ride it, ride it.
Next door, driver.
Doors only down the center.
Look, it's the birthday girl. Leaving her favorite place that she likes.
I love it.
And that she likes. Right?
And you secretly like it too.
Only thing I liked was going to California Adventure. Was getting on that ride. Scream. That was a good ride. Space Mountain was a good ride. But, you know, it's not for me.
It's a family thing.
It's a family thing. She got to see Cinderella today too. Even though Shark's something. Now it's raining a little bit. Now it's time to say goodbye to
You're happy, huh?
Disneyland. My head just hurts.
Yeah, my head hurts.
I think I need some more food.
From where?
I don't know. Somewhere.
I should be able to choose this.
Something to go home.
I should be able to choose where we eat, right?
Rich people over here at Disneyland. Bentley's in the parking lot. What's going on? Really? Just park in the parking lot like that? The Bentley? Oh, that's my car. My bad. Going the wrong way, lady. That's not the exit. That's not the exit.
Or no.
The 51, the 52, the 53.
That's what happens when you hit your head on the rock hard shoulder. Looks like it's about to pour.